For this playlist, you're going to accompany me on a journey to build an Einstein Prediction Builder, looking specifically at predicting the completed workforce development program, whether or not a given individual will complete. And what you can see is we've got lots of different records, and the status of these is this is the workforce development program status. They either withdrew, they completed, or they are still active. And obviously if they withdrew or are still active, they don't have a completion date. But they do have other information that we've captured. And so let me take you through those real quick. So the first one here, and this is the data that we're going to be pulling from. So this is the TABE score. And if you want to jump to the next video, you can. But the really interesting thing about this is all faked data using SnowFakery. So synthetic was created. I can show you more about how we did that. But most important is I just want to give you a sense of how this was created from or what this data is that we're predicting. So looking at the TABE score, just so you see this, this is something specifically for the GED program. And what it is the test of adult basic education. And what you'll see here is that it's a score between 300 and 600. And so if we look at it, what we're seeing is a random set of scores between 300 and 600. And then if we jump in on a specific person, let's just say we go in to look at Andrea Cole, what we have is these, which are specific readiness scores, 1 being low, 4 being high. And if we go take a quick look at it, this is part of the REDF workshop readiness assessment tool, and what you're seeing here is, again, this is attendance, punctuality, and this has more details about what specifically each one would mean. Although again, remember, this is fake data, so we've done it using some sampling. And then if we look at the total counts, what we're seeing here is we've got 435 records that were completed, 243 that withdrew, and 94 active records. And I was able to build this data set basically in about an hour. So that's an easy way to build a whole bunch of records. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to jump into Einstein, and we're going to show you specifically how we would take the steps to predict whether or not an individual will complete, and just kind of how best to pay attention to them. So thanks for watching, and we'll see where this goes. Thanks.